All right, so today I'm going to walk you through your manager dashboard so you can see how to access your team's profiles so you can make adjustments, view the leads that they've collected, and then track analytics. So, what you'll see here on the top left corner is your name. This means that you're now logged into your personal profile. So, if you do want to share your digital business card with potential prospects or customers, you can actually gain access to the app or add this QR code to your Apple or Google Wallet. Anytime your customer scans this QR code, they'll have the ability to exchange contact information with you. Now, as the manager of your team, you still have access to view the leads collected by your team members and make any adjustments to your team members' profiles. So if you click the top left corner here, you'll see a drop down. Your administrators have assigned you to a team, and you'll be able to see those teams right in this drop down here. So let's go ahead and click on sales team. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your full sales team in one roster here. And let's say we want to make an adjustment to George's profile. We would simply click on George here. What you'll see is George's profile that you can make adjustments to. So you can click on add content, add any additional content to George's page. You can go ahead and make any adjustments to George's contact information, social media. Now, if you click the about section, you can make any adjustments to the profile picture, background image, job title, location. If you click on lead form, this is where you can adjust the lead form that is being shared with potential customers from this sales representative. Now, if we go back to sales team here, what you'll see is the contacts tab. So on the contacts tab, you'll be able to track all the contacts your team are collecting in one single place. So on the left-hand side, you'll see the contact that your team has collected. You'll see the team member that collected that contact, the day they collected that contact, and any tags that were left. Now, your team members can add tags themselves via the app or by simply logging into their accounts, or you can add tags by simply clicking the add tag button. Now, you can also track the analytics by simply clicking analytics here, and you can view the analytics of each user in your team to track their activity. Now, if you click on the user tab here, you'll also see a section called status. If the status is active, that means your team member has gained access to their profile and has been able to log in. If they're inactive, it means that they still haven't taken any action and they haven't logged in initially to their digital business card. So it could be great to give them a quick nudge so that they can get access to their digital business card by simply logging in to their account and utilizing their QR codes to exchange that information. Thank you for sticking through the whole video. Hopefully that was insightful. Happy networking.